Okay, so I bought these for some of my friends and coworkers. So I'll be giving these out. They're so cute though. Oh, and for my family too. So I bought for mom. Oh gosh, two of them are coming out of the bag. Anyways, this is what the pen looks like. And it comes with different wording at the top. So this one says sweet. Another one is XOXO. You have love, you have kiss. Yeah. And it has different colors. So yeah. That's my little gift for Valentine's Day to my friends. So yeah. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click that bell to be notified whenever I make a video. So guys, it is February the 14th, which is Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day, guys. Yeah, so I'm ready for work. I feel weird, look weird. This stuff fits good, but oh well. Yes, we're gonna head out now. Let's give you guys like a outfit of the day. So this is the outfit. Yeah, and my black shoes. Yeah, I wanted to wear red and white, but I can't find my white blouse. I don't know it there. So we're gonna stick with what we can find. So yes, this is the look. I wanted to put on the red thing over this, but to be honest, it's gonna be tight. And to be honest, I don't want the headache, so we're gonna let it stay. So yeah. They're doing stuff behind me. After I take the video, you take the picture. Yes. Thank you. I'm taking videos. They're so cute. Could you please video me? I'll pay you guys one day. Guys, so I am back home. So yeah. Anyways, so I stopped and collected some packages today, so I'm gonna unbox those right now. They're not all mine, but yeah. So I'm gonna unbox that right now. These are the packages. I don't want to show you guys like my address or anything, so we're gonna not do that. But yes, I'm gonna open them so I can see what's in it, because I know you buy something so long, you know something about in them. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, so this is my charger. I bought a charger because daddy's charger is mashed up. So these are the charger. So hopefully this works. It's supposed to be the fast charge one. And what do you call them? Dongles. I bought 3 because Taylor wanted one. So I bought 3 of them. And then these are the converters to like the regular USB something. So like for one power bank, so I could use the fast charger with the power bank. So yes, that's what's in my first package, and this is from Amazon, which I'll link down below if you guys want it. Yeah, I'm not using nothing else. Yeah. All right, so let's see what these are. What is this? Feel like nothing there. Like, look how it's small. Like, so flat. Oh, this is my sister's stuff. So yeah, but that's my sis stuff. Okay, so next package we got here. I think this is a case. Feels like one of the cases. There should be a case coming for me. There should be one for my sister. So this seems like the one for my sister. Oh, it's so cute. I want to show you, but it's not mine. But I want to show you. It is so cute. This is my sister's case, by the way. It's so cute. Anyways, that's my sister's package. This is also from Amazon. I think this one was from Shein, but that's from Amazon. Let's put these over there so I don't squash them. Alright, let's look at what this is. My bag. Alright, so this is my package from Shein. So it came my bag. My bag. It's my bag. My bag. I don't know what if I put in here. So anyway, I'm gonna show you the bag first because I'm excited to see it. So the bag is first. It's actually not as bright as I expected. Like, on a full way. On a full way. I'm not lying. On a full way. On a full way. Because people, it's sure much brighter on Shein. It's not bad, but it was brighter. But yeah. So this is the bag. It came with the string part. So yes. So we're going to a function. Not this Sunday, but the next, well, not this Sunday, but the next Sunday. And I wanted a yellow bag, but the yellow bag that we wanted first was sold out by the time we wanted it. I think my sister ended up getting that one, or she ended up getting the broader one to this. I don't remember. But anyways, I'll find out when I pull hers. But yeah, that's the bag. I'm excited. Really excited for that bag. It's cute. I didn't want it at first, but then I ended up having to get it, and like looking at it, it's actually cute. It's unique, just, you know, cute, unique. So you know I love yellow. I don't have a yellow case, so I decided to buy a yellow case for my baby, my phone. And people, this feels actually sturdy. It feels sturdy, so not bad. So I bought 2 yellow cases because the other one coming from Amazon, because I wasn't sure if the one from Shein would be sturdy enough, but this feels sturdy. Yes, feels sturdy enough because they have the little yellow part inside. So yes, that's that. And I said hopefully I can find back all of these so I can link them down below. So yeah. Alright, so I bought a key ring for myself. These are all accessories because the thing is I wanted this alone, this and the shoes, but the shoes I was fine in this size, so I had to take off the shoes. So like the orders, most of the things were just like accessories I just added on. But yeah, so this was one of them that I added on. This is like a keyring, and it's a space keyring that says play. It's so cute though. And I took purple because I'm like, the case is yellow, so my 2 favorite colors. Oh, I bought these for my AirPods. I am so excited for these. I've been waiting on these so long. These are so cute. So these are, it's an egg thing because it's yellow, and you're gonna see it matches something else that I bought, which is super cute. So yeah, that's that. But anyway, excited. These things, I don't know, yellow stuff always makes me so excited. These little things are the things I live for, and this is so nice. I give myself Valentine's gifts, so these are my Valentine's stuff. I bought these for myself, y'all, so excitement can done. All right, next thing, here's the next part, guys. So you saw the egg. This is like the bread and egg. So the charger that I bought, I wanted mine to look unique, so I bought this to go on it. So this is going to go on the black part, and then I don't know what these are, but they come with it. I want to for something to come in it. I don't know what they white something here for, but yeah, that's for it. Then you have this little bread. Bread with egg. And it comes with this yellow part that I think goes around the strap part of it. I don't know how it works, but I'll figure it out. And then something here. I don't know what in back. But yes, let's put it all back in so we don't lose anything. We'll figure it out soon and very soon. And then I'll show you like later on in the vlog, like what it looks like. And then bought some more stuff. Yeah. Oh, it's more yellow stuff. Sorry. I saw something that's cute. Anyways, so the only accessory I could actually find yellow that I liked was this bracelet. So I'm gonna wear this with my suit. It's not as bright though. Expected it to be a little bit brighter. So this is it. It's a yellow bracelet, bead bracelet. Yeah, bead charm bracelet. Comes with a little butterfly and so on. So yeah, that's cute, guys. I was making a lot of excitement over the next thing. Let me see what's coming on the bag. I'm sure nothing else in there. No, yeah. I bought these thinking they'd be small. I'm gonna pop it up on a thing. I did not look at like sizing or anything like that. So when I bought these, I thought they were gonna be small. They're little keychain. They're keychains that have like gaming stuff. Because every other keychain that I've bought, like look like the picture, came small. Like look at how big this is. They are huge. I did not expect them to be this huge. So they're little gaming stuff and they're so cute. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at my little gaming controller. Guys, tell me these aren't cute. If you tell me they are not cute, you're lying to me. But anyways, that's for my Shein haul. So we're doing both hauls in this people, both Shein and I just want to make sure I get everything on the big order. So we just want to go through all this stuff. Now for the most important parts of our little thing is the shoes that we needed. So neither me nor my sister. Alright, sorry. Well, I want to try. Let me set this over. Anyway, so the story. Neither me nor my sister have a shoes to wear for the day. So we ordered some shoes. We didn't have the time to like go out and buy the shoes. So we're really hoping and praying that the shoes fit. Because if they don't, we have like a week or less to find a shoe. So this seems like my sister stuff. Yeah, this is my sister stuff. This is a Shein package. Oh, I just want to look at my shoes. It's so cute. Look at how cute that is. Well, me I hope it fits. People, wanna help me pray. It looks small, Dwayne, but let's pray and hope it fits. Hope it fits. Yeah, me I hope it fits. But yes, that's her. This is her bag. So I'm not gonna open the rest of her bag. I'm gonna open my bag. Hi. Let's look at my shoes. Oh, that's. Oh, Shani gonna look smaller. That me talk about. Shanique one look the same size like a right now for me one look bigger than for Shanique. Me buy 8.5.
No, it's like Shanique.
A 41 missy company. Well,
Yeah.
fit me fit.
She got a shit.
Jesus. Mind fit, people, mind fit. Oh.
She got a shit.
So I got a shoe.
A yellow
So this is it. It's yellow. Yeah. I'm going to show you how Shanique one look. It looks small. Me afraid to try it because I don't want to cry. So yes. And then I have 2 other things in my package. I want to come in a bag. Because put my Japan in a bag. So I have my the Shanique's case. And then my case. Which I'm dying to see. For iPhone 11 Pro Max. It should be. Mommy, I want to show you something over here. So Jesus, they're cute. Oh, it's cute. So this is it. This is it, people. This is it. That's it, mom. That's it. That's gonna be on my phone forever. Because that's the only other protective case I'm gonna have. So yes, guys, this wraps up the haul part. So see you guys in the rest of the vlog. Alright guys, so I got Valentine's gifts. These are from Shein. This is from Dad. I got this from Morning. So this is a child's chocolate, fruits and nut. Then I got, you know my city. Then I got this. Then I get, oh no, this started my video. Then I got a time up. This is actually nice. Shouldn't buy for me already nice. I got a I miss you. I got a you are the best. So yeah, this is like a chocolate. You have like one biscuit at sit here. Have a biscuit at the bottom, then you have the chocolate, and in it you have one cream. It actually very nice. Shani Carey can give it a taste one time. So yeah, so nice.
I got gifts. Look at that. And she gave me a pen and I don't know where I placed it in the room. But thank you.
We're tripleting ish. Come on, put up yours. What do we kids so? What? Cha. Fighting. Go now.
And they can't see it. Mommy, we sell balloons.
Thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.